3-minute trader tip, trader errors, early exit. As part of our 3-minute trader tip series, we often look at various errors traders can make. So you can check in on your trading and see if it resonates with you at all, and of course do something about it if it does. When we look at the 4 exit behavior scenarios, we can either have a hit, which is when we exit when a signal was presented, i.e. it's correct time at which we get out. There can be a false alarm, exiting where there is no signal, and this is usually an early exit. What we would term a miss, where we're staying when a signal was presented to get out, and this is obviously a late exit. And then a correct rejection of an exit, i.e. staying in when there was no signal, where we stay in the trade. Now these 4, there are obviously 2 that are good, i.e. a hit and a correct rejection, and 2 which are problematic, a false alarm and a miss. We're going to look at the former in this particular session. So if we look at the false exit alarm, it's most commonly when we're in profit and usually involves closing a trade only to see it moving higher. Now we need to differentiate this between having a profit target, for example above a support level if trading short, or vice versa if trading long, but rather exit from a trade where there is no signal present. Situations where this may occur can include when there's been a series of losses, and from a trader psychology point of view, it's driven by a fear of losing profit. It may also be that your system hasn't been fully tested to make sure that it works for you, and you're setting a trail stop too tight when there is no reason to do so. Once again, this is often driven by a fear of giving too much back to the market. And finally, it could be that your initial stop is too tight relative to the time frame you're trading. Hence it gets taken out by noise. One only need look at the ATR to give you some indication as to whether an initial stop is too tight. If it's less than 1 ATR, it's way too tight to allow markets to breathe and move. Often we see retracement before we get something moving in our direction. So if you feel that you're exiting trades early, these are the first things to have a look at, once you've identified that this may be a problem for you. Trade safe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.